Hi everyone and welcome. If this is your first time on, my name is Miss Gemini. Welcome to my website. The purpose of this video today is we're going to explore a learning website for games and shows called pbskids.org. I'm sure most of you have heard it. If not, let's take a look. So first what you're going to want to do is pull up Google. You could either search PBS Kids or go straight to pbskids.org. Let's do that now. Alright, and you'll pull us to the website here. And first thing you'll notice is up here in the right corner, there are different tabs you could click on: apps, a help bar if you need help, and TV times. TV times is pretty neat because you click on it and it shows a schedule for all the shows at a certain time. So this is great if your child likes a certain show and you want to see if it's on or streaming. Go back to the main page. On the left side you see a Parents tab. Go ahead and click on that and explore it. This is just parenting resources and tips on raising your children, planning birthday parties, and kids' activities. It's pretty neat. It gives off more resources, and then it tells you all about learning media, how now it's adjusting to the new normal. If your child is going to be classroom ready, if you're classroom ready, just new digital resources and different technologies and games that they're working on. You can find that here. Going back to the main page, do a little bit of exploring. Here in this green half circle, if you hover over it with your mouse, it gives you an option to turn it. And those are different shows and episodes that you can stream off of pbskids.org. Here in the little summary, you see 3 different characters. We're going to go ahead and click on Dr. Seuss here. Here you will find all games and videos about Dr. Seuss and different activities that you could print out. They offer it in Spanish as well. Going back to the main page, also on the left, you find a tab where it says videos. I'm not going to click on it right now because it starts playing an episode right away, but it's just videos and episodes from TV shows that are offered on PBS Kids. And then scrolling down, it gives you a little tab where it shows new games that they have, popular games that have been played a lot, and then hard games for more of a challenge. Going back up on the right side, we're going to click on Games bar, and then it shows 6 games up top, and then you just scroll down still. And it separates them into categories with new games, reading games, teamwork games, filling games, games of adventure, and more topics. We're going to go ahead and explore more topics. And these are topics like math, reading, science, shapes, colors, music, animals, all of that. We're going to go ahead and click on math games here. It shows a popular math game up top. And we're going to just explore and look at them. Under each game, it gives a brief description of the game. And today we are going to explore a hat grab with Curious George. In this game, it says, help spot hats at the airport with George. So we're going to check that one out today. And then, let's see how this goes.
George is at the airport,
so it looks like it explains you the instructions.
As people pass by, click on all the orange hats and green hats.
It's asking us to click on the orange and green hats. This is good for children because they begin to recognize colors. It also looks like, oh no, the hats are the same. I thought I was going to show different hats. And it's just, it goes a little slower paced. So
yes, indeed.
If your child is needing that, they could certainly have that. The shapes of the hats are all different, so it's providing a diverse look of hats, which is good. There's a lot of orange hats,
All
which
right.
are pretty nice. It also looks like up here at the top, the game
Yes,
offers more
indeed.
games and more teacher resources, all about Curious George.
Great. All right.
Alright, so we're just going to go back and explore the website a little bit more. So there's that game. I highly encourage just seeing what level your child is at on handling these games and seeing if they could reach higher levels would be awesome. And then definitely explore the Parents tab and explore all different games that they have. Halloween games, Spanish games, measurement games, holiday games. Explore them, and this is a great resource just to have on hand. You could get text updates from PBS Kids, email updates. You could even subscribe to their daily newsletters. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I hope this is a resource that is highly used in your household. Thank you very much. Have a good one.